Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer tickets from Ticketmaster to someone else. First, open the Ticketmaster app and log in. Go to My Events and select the event that has the ticket you want to transfer. Once you open your ticket, look for the transfer button. If the button is grayed out, that means the ticket cannot be transferred. But if it's available, tap Transfer. Choose the seat or ticket you want to send. Then tap Transfer to. Enter the person's first name, last name, and email address. You can also add a note if you want. After filling out the details, tap Transfer Ticket. And that's it. The recipient will receive an email to accept the ticket. And that's how to transfer your Ticketmaster tickets to someone else. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.